As a teacher, having the right tools can help you save time. In this video, I'll show you 4 free secret tools that will make your life easier. As a teacher, you have a lot on your plate between grading, creating lesson plans, and managing classroom dynamics. It can be tough to find time for everything. Thankfully, there are a number of free tools available that can help make the most of your time and work more efficiently. In this video, I will take a look at 4 of these tools and explore how they can help you save time in the classroom. The first one is Canva, Design Made Easy. One of the biggest challenges of being a teacher is creating engaging visual materials for your students. It can be incredibly time consuming to create posters, bulletin board displays, slideshows, digital worksheets, and other materials from scratch. But with Canva, designing these materials can become a breeze. Canva is free. It's a web-based tool that allows you to create graphics, presentations, worksheets all quickly and easily. It offers thousands of templates and design elements that you can use to create professional looking material in minutes. With Canva, you can save time on graphic design and focus on your teaching. Number 2 is Atos Reading Level Checker, a great way to assess reading levels in a snap. Assessing the reading level of your students is another important task that can take up a lot of time. But with the ATOS reading level checker, you can find the exact reading level of any passage or text in a snap. This tool uses algorithms to calculate the difficulty of a text. You simply enter the text you want to assess, and the tool will provide a reading level score. With this reading level checker, you can quickly level passages and help differentiate for your students. Number 3, Grammarly. Great at catching grammar and spelling errors. One of the simplest ways to save time is by using a tool like Grammarly to catch your grammar and spelling errors. Grammarly is free. It's an online grammar checking that will automatically correct any mistakes that you've made while typing. It integrates online, in email, in Word, in so many places. It's a great tool for teachers who want to ensure their correspondence with parents and students is error-free. With Grammarly, you can save time on proofreading and have much more time to focus on teaching. And last but not least, number 4, an AI tool I've recently discovered called Eduaid AI. So with this Eduaid AI tool for teachers, you can easily differentiate for your students' needs. It has templates where AI can help you generate a list of accommodations and ideas and build anchor charts to break up concepts into simpler ideas. Plus, it has so many more things. You can craft a tactfully worded email home to parents, or even come up with fun team building activities for back to school. This website is definitely worth taking a look at. In conclusion, as a teacher, your time is valuable, but using these tools, you can free up time to focus on your students and improve the quality of your teaching materials. These free tools are easy to use and can be a great asset in your classroom. Whether you need help with graphic design, grammar, or differentiating, these tools can help you save time and be more effective as your role as a teacher.